Good morning, everyone. I am Aru Shukla.
And I'm Barkha Nishad.
We are excited to present our project, the Wind Powered Mini Generator. This is a part of Buildathon 2025 under the theme Atmanirbhar Bharat, aiming to create a self-reliant, sustainable source of energy. Our mentor is Mrs. Rashmi Singh Ma'am. Our team members are Aruhi Shukla, Pragati Srivastav, Barkha Nishad, Gaurav Singh Adhikari, Shivam.
India still faces major electricity challenges, especially in rural and remote areas where power cuts are frequent or electricity access is limited. Many villages depend on non renewable resources like diesel generators, which cause pollution and are costly. The growing energy demands puts pressure on the grid, increasing carbon emissions and reducing sustainability. The wind powered mini generator offers a practical and eco friendly solution to these problems. It uses the power of moving air to generate clean electricity through a compact turbine and generator system. This model can change batteries, run small appliances, and supply energy in off grid areas. It is affordable, easy to build using local materials, and requires minimal maintenance. By promoting renewable energy used at the community level, it supports India's vision of a greener energy secure future and inspires innovation in a sustainable technology.
How wind powered mini generator works. Wind blades. Wind rotates the blade attached to the small rotor shaft and gearing system. The rotor spins a shaft connected to a DC motor or alternator. Generator conversion. The motor converts mechanical energy rotation into electrical energy. Rectifier circuit converts AC output to DC for stable charging. Battery and output. The generated DC power is stored in a rechargeable battery and can be used to power devices. Monitoring a microcontroller like Arduino tracks voltage, current, and battery level. Hardware. DC motor generator type, wind blades, plastic or PVC, shaft and bearings, rectifier diode, rechargeable battery, 6 volt to 12 volt, charge controller circuit, Arduino Uno board, LCD display 16 into 2, resistors via breadboard. Software. Arduino IDE embedded 6 by 6 C by C++. Serial monitor in Arduino IDE Blink or ThinkSpeak.
Prototype cost DC motor 250 rupees, wind blades 150 rupees, shafts and bearings 100 rupees, rectifier diode 30 rupees, rechargeable battery 350 rupees, charge controller 200 rupees, Arduino Uno board 500 rupees, LCD display 150 rupees, wires resistor beer board 120 rupees, Micelars 150 rupees, total estimated cost 2000 rupees. Why our wind powered mini generator stands out? Compact and portable, unlike big windmills, it is a small and easy to carry, affordable, designed with low cost, locally available materials, eco friendly, 100% clean mad, renewable energy, self sustainable, works independently without grid power. Educational value, demonstrate renewable energy converged clearly. Scalable, can be upgraded for higher output or connected to microgrids.
Challenges and learnings. Maintaining a stable power output in low wind conditions. Managing circuit connections and voltage fluctuations. Learn to design and test efficient blades. Gain hands-on experience with Arduino programming and sensors. Understood the importance of clean and renewable energy solutions. Future upgrades. Add IoT, Internet of Things monitoring for real time energy tracking. Use 3D printed blades for better aerodynamics. Include solar plus wind hybrid system for more power. Develop battery management system BMS for better efficiency. Scale up for small community lighting projects.
Demo flow. Display the setup, wind blades plus generator plus circuit. Turn on a fan or blow air to rotate blades. Observe LEDs or voltmeter showing power generations. Demonstrate battery charging and device powering. Arduino display with readings. Impact and vision. The wind powered mini generator creates a meaningful impact by promoting renewable energy, reducing dependence on fossil fuels, and offering an affordable solution for areas with limited electricity access. It encourages innovation, environmental awareness, and sustainable living while supporting India's clean energy goals. Our vision is to make renewable energy accessible to everyone by developing compact and efficient green power system that inspires progress, reduce pollution and contribute to a cleaner, self-renewal future. Thank you. This is Buildathon 2025 submission project by Arohi Shukla, Barkha Nishad, Pragati Srivastav, Shivam and Gaurav. Turning the power of the wind into hope for a brighter and clear future.